Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create multiple Shopify stores, okay? So if you have like only one Shopify store or two Shopify stores and you want to create multiple Shopify stores for different reasons, probably you want to create a one product Shopify store. As you just need to focus on one product. You don't want to like import like random products to your own Shopify store. You want to have like one product Shopify store. You can do that by creating multiple Shopify stores, and this is very quick and easy, okay, to create multiple Shopify stores, and you can also switch between them. And I'm also going to show you guys some tips, okay? So what I'm going to show you here right now is I'm going to show you guys how you can create multiple Shopify stores first. Now, as you can see here, guys, in the top, as you can see, I only have like two stores, okay? Now, to create another store, like to create as many stores as you want, of course, is you want to click here. It says all stores, okay? After you click, guys, on all stores, then you want to click here. It says create store. Now, after, guys, you click on create store, then you just need to just add the exact same account, okay? As you can create as many stores on just under one account, okay? Now, as you can see, you will ask you guys where you would like to sell, in person or retail store. I'm going to select here an online store. Click on next. Which of these best describes you? I'm just starting, for example. Click on get started. Here you will ask you guys to select a plan. Just go, I'll decide later. Just use the free plan. Okay, now as you can see, we have successfully created a new Shopify store. I'm going to click on products. As you can see, this Shopify store doesn't have any products, as you can see. Now, if you want to switch between your Shopify stores now, if you click here on the store name, which is going to, by default, it's going to say my store. So what you need to do in this case, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, okay? And then you want to click here on general, and you want to click on next to my store. Click on this pin button, and you can change the store name to something like new store or something like that. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so this is the new store, as you can see. Now what you guys need to do is, if you want to switch between your stores now, if you click here on the store you have created just a few seconds ago, you will find also your old stores here. As you can see, I have like now 3 stores. Now you can do the exact same steps to create as many stores as you want by clicking on all stores and then create another store, and you will find that exact store here. All the stores you have created, you will find them here whenever you click on the store name here in the top right. Now if you want to switch between your stores, just click on the store name and it will take you guys directly to your old store. If you want to switch back to a new store, click again on the store name in the top right and then click on here on the new store, and it will take you again to the new store. Now if you are wondering if you have to pick a plan for each store, the answer is yes. So you will have to pay $1 for the first month, okay, for all the stores you create. Each store has to have different things like the subscription, the apps. It's literally, it has nothing to do with your old stores. So you will have to pay just like you created only once, like just like you did on your old stores. You will have to pay for the subscription, the everything, okay? So that's exactly, guys, how you can create multiple Shopify stores. Hopefully this one helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.